Hi friends, this video shows how to set up OpenClaw or Clawdbot or Moltbot Agentic AI using OpenAI API and GPT mini model in Amazon free tier EC2 instance. This is a command to install OpenClaw. First let me create Amazon EC2 VM. Here I am using free tier account. Click on launch instance and here we can name for the VM. Let me enter OpenClaw. Then we need to select image. Here I am going to select Ubuntu image. So let me type Ubuntu, then search. Let me select this Ubuntu server 24. Select it. Then select instance type. Let me select T2 small, 1 virtual CPU, 2 GB RAM. Then go down. Then we can create one key pair or select one existing key pair. I am going to select this existing key pair. Let me go down. And here we need to select allow HTTPS and HTTP. Then go down. Here we can configure storage 8 GB. Let me change this. Done. Then go down. Click on launch instance. Now it's creating virtual machine. Please wait. Okay. Instance created. Click on this instance ID. Click here. Then click on this instances tab on the left side. Here you can see the virtual machine. Select the virtual machine. Then click on connect. Now I am going to open the terminal of this virtual machine. Go down. Click on connect. See, now it's opening the terminal. Here we can type commands. So we can directly execute commands in virtual machine. Let me clear this screen. Then go to OpenClaw.ai website. From there we can copy the command. Let me copy this command. Copy this command. Then go to the terminal. Paste here. Then enter. So now it's installing OpenClaw. So please wait. It will take some time. Now you can see the message installing OpenClaw. Please wait for 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, done. OpenClaw successfully installed. Now it's starting setup. Please wait. Here select yes. Then select quick start. Here you can see list of AI interfaces or APIs. From this list, let me select OpenAI interface or API. Let me select OpenAI. Then select OpenAI API key. So here we need to enter the API key of OpenAI. Let me go to OpenAI website. Go to this URL platform.openai.com/API key. From this website, we can generate OpenAI API key. Click on create new secret key. Here you can enter the name for the key. Then select project. Let me select default project. Then click on create secret key. So that way we can create API key of OpenAI. So let me click on create secret key. Done. So this is a API key. Let me copy this API key. Click on copy. Then close this. Go to terminal. Then paste that API key here in this terminal. Paste here. Then enter. Now I have completed setup of OpenAI API. Next we need to select one model. Here you can see list of models. From this list, let me select GPT model, GPT 4.1 mini. Please try to select mini or nano model. Big models are very expensive. It will eat all your credits. After that, we can select channel. Here you can see list of channels. Let me select Telegram. Then enter Telegram token. Let me go to Telegram. I will show you how we can create token. Here type @bot_father. Then click on start. Here type /new bot. Enter. Then we can name new bot. Just enter one name here. See, now it's created new bot. And here you can see the token for new bot. Copy this token. Then go to terminal. Paste that token here. Done. That is very simple. Enter. Done. So now Telegram channel also ready. Here we can configure skills. By default, it already selected 6 skills. If you want to select more, you can select yes. For now, let me skip this. Let me select no. Then select skip for now using spacebar. Then enter. See the message OpenClaw gateway service installed. And here we can select open in web UI. Select this. Here select yes. Then open new terminal. So in this new terminal, let me check the status. So let me run the command OpenClaw status. So that way we can check the status of OpenClaw. Run this command. So here you can see channels that I have configured. Telegram. Then sessions. And if we go up here, you would be able to see the URL of the web UI. So here you can check the status of OpenClaw. So now setup has been completed. Let me go to Telegram. So we need to pair OpenClaw with Telegram group that we created. Click on this Telegram group. Then click on start. Here you can see your Telegram user ID. Then pairing code. So we need to pair. Copy this command. Then go to terminal. Paste here. Then at the end, we need to copy paste that token. Copy this code. Go to terminal, paste here. Then enter. Please wait. See the message. It's approved. After that, let me run this command OpenClaw models. Here you would be able to find the models that we configured. See the model name. GPT-4 OpenAI API. Let me test. Go to Telegram, then type some message here. Please wait. Here I am getting this error. You exceeded your current quota. Please check your plan and building details. I have to add some credits to the OpenAI account. That's all. Setup has been completed. This way we can set up OpenClaw with OpenAI API and GPT model. Next I will show you some prompts that I have tested. All these prompts are working. List all the files in my home directory. Create a new directory called test_project in my documents folder. Create a file named config.txt with content hello in directory called test project in my documents folder. Check if I have Docker installed and tell me the version. install Docker. So this command will install Docker. List all currently running Docker containers. Run a Docker container named test-web-server, expose it on port 8080 and configure Nginx to serve a custom index.html page displaying hello world. Then make it available on localhost. After that, when I run this command curl localhost 8080, I would be able to see that hello message. In the next prompt, I tried to change the message from hello world to hello world 111. That also worked. Next prompt is run a Python Flask app in a container. This created a Python Flask application in container. That also worked. Next one is find and list large files. Scan open ports on the server. Next one was very interesting. Install a SQLite database and create a database named test. Inside the database, create a table called employees with the columns name and age. Then insert one dummy record into the table and print the inserted data. So this worked. Then after that, I said add one new row. Then I said add one new column designation. All this worked. Then I asked please provide a command to query these data from the table. Then it gave the one query that I executed in the server that worked. The next one is delete all Docker containers. So that deleted all Docker containers from the server. These are some of the prompts that you can try. This way we can install OpenClaw with OpenAI API and GPT model in Amazon EC2 instance. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.